Hello student, now I'll discuss about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means if a body moves equal distance and equal interval of time, then we can say the body is moving with uniform motion. You see one example. Suppose a body is moving from here A to B. It covers distance 20 km in 1 hour. From B to C, it takes time 1 hour to cover 20 km. Again from C to D, it takes time 1 hour to complete to cover the distance from C to D, that is 20 km. So this kind of motion of a body is called uniform motion. But here you see non-uniform motion. When a body moves unequal distance in equal interval of time. How? You see, first in 1 hour from A to B, it covers distance 20 km. From B to C, in 1 hour 25 km. In C to D, it covers 30 km. So you see, though time is same, but distance covers by the moving body are different. So this kind of motion is called non-uniform motion. Now, I'll tell about the distance and displacement. Distance means length covered by a moving object is called distance. Length covered by a moving object is called distance, and shortest distance between the initial point and final point is called displacement. So length, you see A, B, C, an ant is moving this distance from A to B. Suppose from A to B, after that it is going B to C. So total distance covered by this by the ant is 3 meter plus 4 meter, that is equal to 7 meter. But what is the displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance from A to C, that is the shortest distance is called the displacement of this body. Now how shall I get this AC? By applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, we will get it is 5 meter. So that is the shortest distance between A to C. So that is 5 meter. So displacement is 5 meter. But when you explain about displacement, that time you have to mention the direction, because displacement is a vector quantity. You see, I have written here east, west, north, south. So it is going southeast. The body, so we have to consider, we have to write here southeast, which is explaining because displacement is a vector quantity. Thank you.